France has had the wettest May since records began 150 years ago. The centre of Paris is drenched. Over the past 4 days alone, almost non-stop rain has fed the rivers, causing water levels to rise and the River Seine to burst its banks. The picturesque riverside paths are underwater.
The Seine reaches the level it's at now relatively often. It's at this level in winter time every 2 to 5 years on average. But it's a level which is really exceptional for this time of the year. At the beginning of June, it's very rare to have the Seine reach this height.
South of Paris, extensive flooding has caused widespread damage. Motorways and railway lines have been cut off and dozens of villages have been submerged. Emergency services have responded to thousands of call-outs, and houses and other residential buildings, such as retirement homes, have been evacuated. In this one town alone, 3,000 people have been rescued from its centre.
The evacuation is going well. We have all the necessary means to carry out this operation. We're evacuating the population using boats and four-wheel drive vehicles which can access the flooded streets.
Gymnasiums and schools are welcoming people. That's all being done well, but it's a challenge because those places all need drinking water and food. It's very difficult, but there is a true sense of solidarity, and we have to remain vigilant.
With severe flooding in the Loire Valley and other towns and cities across France under threat, authorities and emergency services are keeping a close watch on the situation. Weather forecasters say it will continue to rain today, with the possibility of more rivers bursting their banks. The River Seine is expected to rise even further. Several roads alongside its banks have been closed, as well as access roads to well-known tourist sites in the old city. The tourist boats, which usually ply up and down the river during this time of year, have been put out of commission until the river levels subside. A severe disappointment to the tourists who flock to Paris every summer.
My family and I, we intended to do the river tour on the river, and it was not possible because of the level of the river is too high.
The River Seine's highest level on record was 8.6 meters. That was in 1910. It's set to peak at 5.6 meters tomorrow. But if it hits the 6-meter level, then parts of the city's underground railway system will flood. Julie Hyde-Mew, Sky News.